Hi traders, my first day back from my short break, so reasonable day today for me, and you can see the Dow on a daily. So here we are sitting above this major area of resistance here, and this was resistance, this is now support. The support was bought, and we are moving up. However, we are moving up very slowly, so we are nonetheless above the 8 EMA. So any pullbacks to yesterday's close, which would put it at 16,780, is a potential buy with a stop under Monday's low, which is 16,690 is where the stop should be, to see if we can retrace back to the top and touch 17,000. Okay, that's the Dow. I'm long the gold. Bought the gold at what we got at 1260. We're 1272 nearly, so not a bad little move. Because if we can break today's high, 1270, I think we're going back to 1300 and possibly higher. And took the chunk out of pound yen, took it into that resistance area and took it off. If I see 173 again or lower, or even 172.50, I'd be a buyer to see if that could then break up to 175. We have closed above yesterday. We engulfed yesterday's bar, so that is a very bullish bar. £1 Aussie dollar kicked off, just rolling away, so I'm not in that. Resistance area is too close, so the risk reward ratio for me is poor. US dollar, Euro US sideways, Euro yen higher, but like the pound yen hitting resistance. Euro Aussie, a nice move up. What do I trade that? Yeah, it's closed above the 8 EMA for the first time in ages there. That to me is a potential buy. 146 is resistance. We've got 14480 with a stop under 14422. It could be an option. I'm actually long this one. Took it earlier in the US session. Aussie US, hoping for that to close higher. I've got a relatively close stop, so I'm going to leave it, but obviously that is a pretty nasty seller's bar. We could be heading for 92.50, but we are sitting on a fib level, so we'll just break that low, and that is short-term toast. Oil. See how we had a big bull flag over here this time last year. Wait for the oil to come to you, see what happens on invents tomorrow. If 105 is seen, that could be a good buy. In fact, I'm going to put an alert down there for 105 just to see if I can get that tested and see if that will work. FTSE closed higher. Let's look at other commodities first. I'm going to look at stocks. I am going to trade wheat. Massive support down at 577. I'm going to try and get 580 with a stop under 570 to see if I can get back to at least 635. Okay, I like wheat a lot. Corn obviously is very similar. Beans are just selling at the moment. Let's see how that works out. Stocks. I like this oil stock. I'm going to buy VLO at 53.70 with a stop at 53.95. See if that can get back to the highs. I like Keg. All these stocks I picked a week or two ago are doing well. That's a nice move. 865 is a potential buy area to see if that can move back up to 975. Let's look at Hero. Love to close that gap. 481. DE. DE is suffering with the agricultural machinery. So massive support under there. If I see 89.30, I'm going to be a buyer of that. So I'm going to wait to see if I can drop back and then retrace to those highs. I think that's a big box play in DE. LinkedIn. I think massive support down here. I'm going to try and hold out for 164.50. No, actually, I'm going to try and hold out for 164.50. So pull back into that hammer and then see if we can push back to 186 area. There's a short for you, potential short talk. I'm going to short 320 with a stop at 325 to see if that can break down. That's a triple top drop, break back up under there, and we could be heading for at least 270. Okay, that's all I've got for you. So the room is open at 8 o'clock tomorrow. The link is at the bottom of this email. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow.